ask Vivek Karwa, does he also believe the same or no? And what's his take coming in the markets? Because we're meeting him now directly after the poll verdict is out and the markets have reacted on both the sides. So very good morning to you, Vivek. Thank you so much for joining us on ET now. And I think, do you think that the dust is already settled in? People have, or investors have started to take cognizance of the fact that you will be having a coalition government, but it is not as bad as people were thinking about it.
Good morning, Shiril and Shrishti and everybody on the panel. This is very, very clear that what we had that day was a knee-jerk reaction. Of course, was way away from the exit polls, and hence the stop losses triggered in a way for the market overall. I feel now, in fact, in Tamil movies, if you go on YouTube and search Sendil Kaundamani jokes, you will get a video wherein in the movie there's a comedy play wherein one of the comedians says that I am 8th standard pass, and he will be teasing the other guy who has 10th failed. He has just failed in 10th. So he says 8th pass is bigger or 10th fail is bigger. This is the story happening in the political scenario wherein the student who used to be topper got 80 marks, so he is sad, but the student who used to fail got 40 marks this time and passed. So he is more happy than the topper. So this is the scenario, but end of the day, market realize what is happening, and markets know that economy will continue, and the reality is India is back to power. So yeah, there can be some slowdown in certain decisions. That is expected because again, this coalition dharma will always take its toll on certain decisions. But overall, when it comes to economic reforms, economy and jobs and all economic related activity, I don't think there is going to be any opposition over in that place, and hence market should continue to.
Should continue to do well, and that's we're seeing that after quite an overreaction back on the election verdict day, we are seeing the markets once again resuming the uptrend. But Vivek, one such theme that has clearly emerged out as a winner, I would say, is the FMCG space, because just after the election verdict, the voices for the rural recovery and the consumption sector got bigger and bigger. And though the FMCG and the consumer basket is a bit on a back foot for today, but in the past 2 days, we have already seen good moves. So from the pack, which are the stocks that you are keeping on radar, and overall as a sector, what's your view on that?
Shrishti, see, what happens is FMCG did not fall that day also because they really showed to the people, investors, that they are defensive plays, as we always call them. So what happened is market was fearing that if this government doesn't continue, will there be a slowdown on infrastructure growth? Yes, there can be slowdown. Can the PSUs suffer? Yes, PSUs can suffer. Can railways and the defense stocks, which are really growing well now, can they slow down? Yes, they can slow down. But will you stop brushing your teeth next day morning? No. Will I stop taking bath? No. That will continue. And hence, FMCG did not at all move. So whoever comes, FMCG will continue moving. And that's the thing. And today, it is not moving in great way because we are finding value elsewhere. So if I have 100 rupees, why should I go and invest in FMCG, which I know is going to go at, say, at a steady pace or a slower pace? Then you asked my favorite stocks today. I would really go with banks again. So banks are looking very, very good. You're already seeing the way SBI is moving. So when I can buy something which can move 4-5% in a day, why should I buy something which might not at all move? So that's the thing. So I'm very, very bullish on banks again. And once the government formation happens and we know the constituents, how it is getting formed, I think other sectors also will start doing well, because I don't think there is going to be any compromise on the railways and the defense and the economic growth overall.
All right, so that's the view coming in on banks in particular. On that note, we will slip into a break on this edition of Buy Now Sell Now. When we come back, we'll start taking your query, viewers, so don't go anywhere.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.